Okay. Mr. Hawk, no, I do no talking, I get straight down hawking, call me Mr. Hawk, cause you know what happened, little Brody. I get straight down to walking down, talking loud, no, I don't do no talking loud, hawk it down, maybe use a round, use 100 fucking rounds, put you down, put your dumb ass down. Now your family, they crying, now they miss that nigga and his name was fucking Ryan, use a fucking shield on that nigga, Ryan, use a shield and a Glock, that's all I need when I'm spying on that nigga, just to pull the trigger, most days I feel bigger, than the rest, as you can see, never rest, R.I.P. that little nigga, but he never gonna rest, cause he never gonna rest, cause he's never gonna rest, cause he know, Mr. Hawk, I'm fucking hawking down, not gonna lie, I use a round, use a couple clips on your ass, use a couple mags, then I dump it out, they call me, I dump it out, nigga tryna dump it out, but I beat your ass and I shoot you, not gonna lie, coming tutu, fuck your bitch, she wear a tutu, as you can see, and I deuce, shoot your ass going deuce, as you can see, and I Bruce, family call me Bruce, get the fuck out of my face, I'm pulling up and I chase, nigga, I do not chase niggas, as you can see, bigger, I'm not gonna lie, bigger, I do not chase niggas, I'll shoot you, not gonna lie, I'm talking goop, you be talking hella cuckoo, shoot your ass, you talking poo-poo, shoot your ass, you talking wild, Legit, one take, the whole song, I did no sorts of breaks, no none of that.